He asked if anyone wanted to volunteer to join the New York team, and before I even really realized it, my hand was already up.
I'm going to be talking about one of my projects that I worked on.
I'm excited to see what this next chapter looks like, but I'm genuinely going to miss my old team.
Young men in the US are about to be automatically signed up for the military draft.
Hey guys, so a lot has happened in the last month or so, and I'll get into the details a little bit later into the video, but pretty much there's been a lot of upper management changes recently, so that usually leads to a bunch of internal services and internal teams shuffling around. So I had the opportunity to join another team within the same organization, and my first day on that team officially starts today. So yeah, pretty much I'm about to join Standup for that right now. Yeah. Hello.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. For those that are new here, my name is Philip and I've been a software engineer at Amazon for the past year and a half now. It's honestly been a while since I've shown what a normal workday looks like for me where I'm not on call, so I wanted to walk you through what my day-to-day actually looks like at this point, since there has been a ton of recent changes.
Thank you. Bye. So wrapped up stand-up, met all the team members, did a little quick introduction, and now I'm just gonna put on some clothes and head into the office.
Tripping, everything feel different this time. Cause it's just, I'm gonna be okay if you're mine. Wonder how long we've been passing time. How did we drink so much wine? How the hell you get so fine? Let's put some in the air, girl, you got it. This there girl got the world in her pocket. Head at a bit, I'm tryna get down on one knee. Cause only one thing is true, these bitches ain't got nothing on you.
I usually get into the office around lunchtime, and the first thing I do is run through my emails and Slack real quick and address anything urgent. Oh, and if you notice something different about my setup, we also switched floors recently for some unknown reason, but at least my desk came with this free Razor scooter, which is pretty cool. I think the guy who sat here before me left it behind and forgot about it, so I guess it's technically mine now. Today for lunch is a bit different since we have our weekly lunch and learn sessions where one person goes over a feature, project, or tool that they want to share with the team. And this time it was my turn.
Heading to a lunch and learn session right now. I'm going to be talking about one of my projects that I worked on, so should be fun. First time.
I pretty much just went over how I built the AI project I delivered a few months ago and how it works on both the high and low level. It's low-key my favorite meeting of the week because we get free lunch DoorDash from anywhere we want.
Philip, before you go, at least you should feature some.
Yeah, you can leave a review on how I did. How did I do in that lunch and learn session? You learned a lot?
We did not get the lunch, but learning, yeah.
How was the session? Did you learn a lot? Hell no, bro. We're looking at shoes. Ooh, okay. Mendocino Farms, bro. Let's go. Honestly, I think it should be called Learn Then Lunch Sessions because usually the food arrives after the meeting is complete. Bar. Look at that beauty, bro. Take the first bite. Already did. No, first bite. Don't fake your reaction. I'll bite you. So right now I'm kind of in this weird in-between phase with the team switch where I'm still wrapping up loose ends on my old team while still trying to ramp up on the new one at the same time. So it's been a bit tricky since I'm basically attending meetings for two teams right now. The other major thing is everyone on my new team is based in New York, so the meetings are a bit earlier, which I'm still getting used to. One thing about Amazon is that internal transfers are pretty common. You can move to different orgs, different teams, sometimes even different roles. There's still some kind of interview process involved, but it's a lot more straightforward than trying to get in externally. Usually it's just some behavioral questions and they look at your past work, but if you're unlucky then you might get some system design or lead code thrown in there too. My situation was a little different though. Since I was staying within the same org, I didn't have to go through any of that. So why did I decide to switch teams? Well, one day my manager walks into our section of the office and asks everyone to follow him into a meeting room. Absolutely no context, and every time that's happened before, it's been pretty bad news, so we were all a little nervous walking in. This time he told us that our skip was leaving the org, and honestly at this point, I've seen so many people leave that it didn't really hit that hard, especially since we'd only been under her for a couple months anyway since the last reorg from the January layoffs. But then the next part came. A bunch of the internal services our team owned were getting shifted over to our sister team in New York. This meant that they were taking on more work and needed more headcount. And the second that my manager said that, I kinda already knew where this was going. He asked if anyone wanted to volunteer to join the New York team, and before I even really realized it, my hand was already up. If you guys watched my previous New York vlog, then you already know that I've been wanting to move there eventually. And the funny part is, this all happened the Monday right after I posted that exact video. So after all that, here I am on the new team, and to be honest, it's still kind of settling in. They wanted me to move to New York pretty much immediately, but I still had things I needed to wrap up in Seattle, and I couldn't just leave that fast. We landed on the end of August, which still feels pretty soon, but I'll figure it out. So if anyone's looking for a place to stay in Seattle between September and November, definitely reach out to me. Look who came to bother me. The craziest part is just how fast everything moved once I said yes. My manager literally flew in from New York the week after, and we got to meet in person and had a happy hour. He's super chill and very much gives off that caring dad energy. He's also strangely good at darts for some reason. I'm excited to see what this next chapter looks like, but I'm genuinely going to miss my old team. Luckily, one of my teammates is making the move with me, so at least we're figuring it out together. It's definitely still a bittersweet feeling though. This officially marks the beginning of the end of my time in Seattle, so you already know I'm going to make the most out of these last few months I have here. Alright, let's go.
작업실에 출근해 밀린 작업하고 이제 퇴근하려고 How about you? 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 문자를 하나 보내 일어났을 때 오늘은 아침부터 할 일이 좀 이집해 금방 끝나 미리미리 하는 편이지만서도 집중이 안 돼 자꾸 딴 생각
Light sugar as well. Yeah, what are your thoughts on it?
Where's your drink, bro? Bro, just got his drink. Where'd it go?
Is that good?
Look great. You smart. Let me put you on real quick.
How's that working, bro? That's good. That's good.
Hold on.
The strawberry bits are good.
Wait, let me try the drink, bro.
It's eye. Alex says eye, bro.
After work these days, I've been coming to cafes like this one to get a little extra work done. It could be something for my actual job or something creative like editing. It honestly depends on the day. But this cafe in particular is Olympia Coffee, and it's inside one of these big corporate buildings, so it feels more like a hotel lobby more than a coffee shop. Being around other people who are just trying to focus makes it a lot easier for me to actually focus. Because honestly, I don't know why, but I cannot work from home. I don't know if anyone else is like this, but my setup is basically just like a big distraction machine. I'll sit down to edit a video and 30 seconds later, I'm just watching mukbangs on YouTube every single time. Honestly, there's just been a lot going on lately and I've been trying to get more organized with the channel. So I built something to help with that. Today's sponsor is actually what made it possible, Hosting Horizons. Hosting Horizons is an AI tool that lets you build fully working web apps just by describing what you want. So I opened it up and just typed out what I was looking for. Something like I want a content calendar where I can plan out videos, track their status, and see everything laid out by week. And I just took that and ran with it, built out the whole entire thing, an actual working app with real functionality, not just some template or mockup. And I didn't have to write a single line of code for any of it, which coming from someone who does this for a living is honestly kind of impressive to see. And when I wanted to tweak something or got stuck, I just used Cody. It's their built-in AI assistant and it's completely free to use. So if something wasn't working the way I wanted it to, or I just had a question about how something was set up, I could just ask it directly and it would help me figure out without using any of my credits. It's a pretty small thing, but it makes the whole experience a lot less frustrating. When it's ready, you just simply click publish and now it's live. If you go with the annual plan, the domain and hosting are both included for free, so everything is already in one place from day one. There's also a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's not really much to lose if you just want to try it out. The link will be in the description below. Use code Philip at checkout for the discount. Okay, now back to the video.
Why'd you turn, bro?
Completely forgot I had a one-on-one chat today with one of you guys. I'm about to join that call right now, so I'm gonna do it from my laptop. Hey, I see how it. Definitely learned a lot from those two. So yeah, for sure. Of course. Later. Take care. Bye.
We're in the middle of the road.
So show me your heart. I wanna know how to tell me if you're feeling rushed. If I'm being just wanna feel loved. But if it's my interpretation of us, let me know. Let me know, let me tell. I just wanna know, lady, can I make the move?
You guys always ask me how to exactly break into software engineering, and honestly, I've been getting the same question so much that I just decided to put everything I know into one place. So I've been working on this career playbook with a couple of my buddies who are also engineers in big tech, and it's broken into 3 phases. Phase 1 covers how I would navigate my CS college career year by year. Phase 2 is a full job search, resume, networking, applications, all of it. And phase 3 is interviews, technical, system design, behavioral, and everything in between. Basically, the complete roadmap from ground zero built around what I wish I knew going into it the first time. It's out now, so check it out on my personal site or I'll have it linked in the description below. And if you haven't already, join the community Discord because that's where I drop stuff like this first all the time. Okay guys, we have a very special delivery today. So I finally got the new MacBook Pro. It just delivered today and I needed an upgrade for my old one, which I have right here. So I've had this MacBook for a couple years now and it's been doing well, but it's simply not able to handle all the editing and vibe coding that I do nowadays. It doesn't have enough power and also not enough storage. So yeah, decided to upgrade to the new MacBook Pro right here. The 2026 version with the M5 chip and 1 terabyte of storage. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox it. Ooh. Let's turn this bad boy on. This is my old one. I think I'm gonna have to move this little guy over here now.
macOS contains a built-in screen reader.
Probably gonna have to sync all the information from my old laptop to my new one. So I'll go ahead and do that. But if you guys want a video on how I set up my MacBook for coding and editing, let me know in the comments and I'll make one. But yeah, I think I'm just gonna spend the rest of the night playing around with this and setting it up as it is pretty late right now. It's midnight, so I'll probably sleep soon as well.
Girl's gonna stand by ya. Who you gonna lean on? If I ain't standing right by you. I really need to know now. Tell me, is it right or wrong? 'Cause I'm so numb inside.